Namde Shibanya Mashaki to be Shabi Pemolia, Chuju, the Kujan with the Tane, Zamlin Sajo Kansa Shuyu with the nature of Samlolia, Tomania Cham, Rike Pesaki, Zamishi, the Melons of Gule, Tumongi, Jinsa Chede, some detects Shuata, Nienton de Gune, Chota Sera Shualia, Bergy Chugishi, I get Gube, Pende Saki Betembe Soshi, Kamgo Comatijan, Toji Chachim Chogi, Lana maybe Tugi, Lamdo, Kawanta, Lodarishi Chamri and Alia, Pesaki, Zamishi, the Melanchimo, Soso Yunaya. Debe losum nalia achim toim ne du kembe ni do ni sa jin da chungi nalia thage yu ne melam soya choma do ni do chogo ni do ni shulo lolia mi se thadi sabi ni ya melam soya choyo ma de sonza thalo zamlin cho yon su toim ne du gi ne dan di ani chejung do shin bata da na shin ji gi gegab tanga de sane so so nalia toim ne du gi Chicago Kajadi Chelo the Doshin begin at the Kogab Sonje, Yonguchin to be Tsewang, Chubdin Patu, Ari, California, Berkeley Bay Area, Akutu, Chari Pesaka, the Mission Milam Tanga there. Camgio competition to the Chanchum Chore, Tanishin Camgio competition is changing, but the Shizumbi Ushu Tolia, so they case in Sonza, near Dick Gune, Chigi, Zamlin Chola Milishuge, and Chushu number, Habarto and Chigi, Chari Nal Shugere, Tanishin Chigi Mixege, Ari California Ngaku to Shuge, Chushu Yolia, Kamamanji, in the Dumbe, Tsewang, Chubdin Pato, Yamchunalia, Pevrona Shiji, Buguta, Jumbo Lex Shuai, Yin Sumki, Melam Gizerim, the Tsewang around Sudan, the Tage, Talam Gune, Chicken Whatever, the other day again, Jik Talam Gunea, Teton to give Sonza, and Jamzami, Shodaga Shugan, Chushu Sanlo, Chiki Duvo Tony Yamchunama Tuvinia, Tage Gunea, Amamanji, Zamni Shidele, Miki, Melam Dilia. Melam Chimolia and Chigi Yamshu Narona and Chiche, and Yabu the Ta and Chigi Jump Lex Train. Laria Namaling Town Lodge in the Dumbe Tsewang and the Chubdin Pato and Berkeley Bay Area, California, Ngakutu, Hanjoji Australia, Tujana. My deep reverence and homage to Sakya Monlam Buddha, Dashidalek, Namaste, and greetings to all of you on behalf of North American Sakya Monlam Foundation for World Peace. Under the unsurpassable guidance of His Holiness Sakya Teacher Rinpoche, the 41st throne holder of the Sakya School of Tibetan Buddhism, every year we organize the Great Sakya Monlam for World Peace in North America. However, due to the global pandemic, we were unable to organize the Great Sakya Monlam for World Peace in the last 3 years, except the online Sakya Monlam in December 2021. As we remain very hopeful to see the light at the end of the tunnel, finally this year the countries worldwide, or the states across the country, has already started to lift the restrictions that were imposed in the last 2 years. It gives me a great sense of joy and happiness to announce all of you that the 5th North American Sakya World Peace Monlam is scheduled to be held in this coming July 15 to 17 for 3 days in Berkeley Bay Area, California. This Monlam will be graced by His Holiness Sakya Teacher Rinpoche and also the 42nd and the 43rd Sakya Tenzin Rinpoche. So we cordially invite all of you to join us together, hand in hand, to collectively pray for world peace in this coming July 15 to 17 in Bay Area, California. Thank you very much, and we will see you very soon in this coming July 15 to 17 in Berkeley Bay Area, California. Thank you. Have a good one.